Well, hey folks, it's Mike Antile again. We missed some big ones in the last solar gimmick video that we made, so we wanted to touch base on three really important ones. Let's dig in and take a look at some of the ones that we got written in that we forgot to talk about. And if you see some others that we didn't talk about here, send us a message and we'll be happy to dig into them. So the three that we're going to talk about today are what we call government programs, also the idea of zero down financing, and then salespeople who kind of bundle many different services into the solar contract. If you like this video, please give us a like. We would really appreciate that. So the first one that I see all the time that just absolutely blows my mind that this is still a thing out there on the internet, but I see this every day on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google, on just the internet in general. It's this idea that there's some sort of government program and you're receiving free money from the government, and the government is paying you to put up your solar panels, and on and on and on and on. This is one of those times in which you often see is, enter in your zip code to see if you qualify. Here's the truth. There is no such thing as a government program that's going to give you free money for your solar system. There is a 26% federal tax credit. This is the year 2021. It's going to be good through 2022, and then it drops to 22% in 2023. But other than a federal tax credit, which everyone is eligible for, there is no special government program. The government isn't paying you to put up your solar panels. The government isn't backstopping your solar loan. The government does not know and does not care about your solar system. They are giving you a 26% federal tax credit. That's it. I'm going to give you a hint. When you see something that says type in your zip code to see if you qualify, you qualify. If you're installing solar, you qualify for the 26% federal tax credit as long as you have an actual tax liability. Other than that, there is no government program. The government is not paying you to put up solar panels, not in Florida, not in the United States, not anywhere. Well, certainly I can't vouch for the entire United States, but definitely nowhere in Florida is the government paying you to put up solar panels. This is one that just blows my mind that I still see it all over the internet. Okay, so this is another kind of hook that a lot of companies do. Basically what they talk about is zero down financing. It is accurate that zero down financing is a thing. It's very real, and pretty much with every solar loan that you're going to get, zero down is the way that it works. Basically, what it means is we're signing to take out a loan. The big difference is there's not a deposit that's required. So again, you don't have to type in your zip code to see if you qualify. You don't have to put in your address to see if you qualify. If you're getting a loan from a solar company, you qualify. Like, there is no requirement to have a down payment for a solar loan. So again, this is just like a hook that pulls people in, but literally every solar company who has access to solar financing, which is 99.99% of them, have the ability to give you zero down financing. So although this makes for a great headline, there's really nothing special about it. The last one I wanted to talk, we talked a little bit about this in our previous video, but I just wanted to dig in a little bit more because I know that oftentimes, this does seem, when somebody comes to you and they're going to basically bundle services, and they'll say, well, the way that we're going to help you is we're going to put insulation in your attic, and we're going to clean out your ductwork, and we're going to do all these different things that are going to make your house more efficient. And then we're going to put the solar panels on the top, on the roof. And in my view, solar should stand on its own. The guy who is spraying foam in your attic should not be the person who is doing a fairly advanced and complex electrical engineering design that's going to integrate into your house. At the end of the day, if you want to do attic insulation, we encourage you to do that, but you should do that through an attic insulation contractor. If you want to do windows and doors, that's fantastic, but that should be done through a windows and doors contractor. Solar should definitely be done through a solar contractor. At the end of the day, you can buy flowers at the gas station, but it might not be the best product that you're going to bring home to your significant other. So our recommendation is, for solar projects, stick with solar contractors and people who actually know the solar business. What will happen is they will reduce your energy bill using these additional services, and then they will point to the solar and say, look at the amazing returns that you got, based on everything that we did for you. Our advice is let contractors do what contractors are good at, and if it's an insulation contractor, windows and doors, or solar contractor, let the experts focus on what their expertise is actually in. Okay, folks, well, that was it. That was just a quick primer on 3 more that we forgot to include in our last video. We hope this is helpful for you. If you want to talk about anything that you've heard, anything you're not sure of, any programs that you don't know if they exist or don't exist, please use us as a resource. You can email us, text us, or call us at the office anytime. We'd be happy to walk things through for you. We've been in business in the solar industry. We've been in the solar industry for 15 years here in the state of Florida. We've kind of seen it all and done it all at least once, although there's new things every day that we learn about. So we hope you to consider to work with us, and thanks for stopping by. And give this video a like.